If you go to Content, then go up to Migrate, click OK, navigate to your third-person project, select Content, then select Folder, Yes All. Open up your third-person project. Now in your content, you should be able to see your first-person blueprint. Open up your project settings and go to Maps and Modes. Select your first-person character as the default pawn class. Go to Input, then to Action Mappings, then add in the input from the first-person blueprint, which is fire. Choose the key you want to use for the input. Go to the first-person character blueprint, compile and save. Delete the third-person character, and then click play.